I had been having headaches for many years, and eye exams showed nothing until I had from what I learned was a closed angle attack in my eye. I was told to have a cataract surgery to make room in my eye for the angle to open up. So when I had the cataract surgery, they told me my eye collapsed. My eye had atrophied and my eye collapsed. The iris stuck to the cornea, and since then I didn't have any vision. So it ended up being my life going backwards and forwards to doctor's appointments. I'm a homeschool mum, so it literally robbed me of my time with my children. It was very emotional, kind of losing faith in the doctors, thinking I was with the best doctors. And so I joined Fuchs Friends, which is a site online where people were discussing about their cornea transplants and how they got help with their corneas, because by that time I knew it had damaged this surgery had damaged my cornea. Late one night, reading again through Fuchs, and I came across the story of Mr. Ken Clifton, who came to see Dr. John Parker, and I just followed his story, and then I listened to his interview, and he was just I just felt, I said to my husband, this is the doctor I think I want to see. This is the doctor. I said he helped Mr. Clifton. Mr. Clifton trusted him with his one good eye. And it seemed to be a small practice as opposed to like the big establishments. It seemed very personal. And I just said to my husband, there was something about Dr. Parker that I said, this is the doctor I really feel I want to see. So that's why we came out here. He showed me all the diagrams he took a lot of time showing me what the diagrams meant, what the reflection meant, and what was happening to my eye. That was very reassuring that he took time to show me that. And I felt very comforted because he explained in great detail, calmly and in great detail, caringly.
Well, I think what brought Ms. Fauth to us is actually a web-based organization. I think she may have encountered some of our previous patients from out of town, and I think as she was on this site talking to others with eye problems, that's how she found us. Yes, she had had problems with glaucoma and problems with her cornea and problems with her cornea following cataract surgery. So the cornea, I think, was causing her problems with pain. Well, we repaired her iris and her anterior chamber and did a DMEK, which is a mini corneal transplant on her.
My vision is stable and good. I can read with this eye now without glasses. I can read. I'm very thankful. I can see. The fact that they've invested so much of their lives and how much, and then I thought, I'm just one story. How many people's lives have they changed, given them sight? And I'm just one story. Dear Dr. Parker, I hope this letter finds you well. Thank you for your encouragement and support. I apologize for worrying so much. I imagine it's the same for all people. When you have a life-changing surgery, you just cannot avoid thinking of the surgeon every day. I do think of you every day. I'm so thankful. And I also think of the donor family. I did not realize how much my life was not properly lived for the past 2 years. So thank you, Dr. Parker. I try to be fully aware of moments in my days now. Getting back to my old self, I did not really drive for 2 years. So now, while I am on the road, I take extra moments to look at the trees, that's true, and greenery, or a road sign that I can see now. Thank you for the years you have invested in learning what you do, helping countless people that pass through your clinic. Warm regards to you and your lovely team, Miriam.